What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. Now, I've been using the OnePlus 7 Pro for about a week, and at first when I bought the phone and with the initial reviews I saw, I was really skeptical about its camera quality. OnePlus has never had the greatest camera out there. It's had a decent camera. It gets the job done, but it just can't compete with the likes of Apple and Samsung, and especially Google. But I think this time with the 7 Pro, especially with the current update that they rolled out, I think they nailed it this time. They hit the spot, and in this video, everything right now you're seeing is being recorded with the front-facing camera, that motorized camera, and as well as audio. And later on in the video, I'm going to show you guys photos that I took with the 7 Pro using its main lens, ultra wide, and 3x zoom, especially photos that are taken at night with its nightscape mode, as well as front-facing portrait mode. I think they nailed it with the portrait mode as well. The update brought great white balance, overall great nightscape mode shots. You're not getting grainy shots. Whenever you take a picture, it's actually on point. It doesn't come out shaky. And daylight shots are amazing. They're on point. You're getting great dynamic range, great contrast, great color. It just nails the spot. Normally, what I usually do is, in fact, let me put up pictures right now. Normally, what I do is always install the Google camera whenever I get a phone, because I know Google has the best camera out there, so I always install their camera APK. And I was going to do the same with the OnePlus 7 Pro, but with this update, I changed my mind, and for the time being, I'm going to stick with the stock camera app, because I am getting photos, I'm getting pictures that I'm very pleased with, that is very usable. So good job, OnePlus. This was an amazing update. If you haven't gotten it already, you probably will over the air. 9.5.7, and for everyone else who doesn't have this device, definitely worth it. It's got 3 rear cameras, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 3x zoom lens. Front facing camera, 16 megapixels, motorized. That's why we have the full 6.67 inch fluid AMOLED display at 2K resolution with 90 Hz refresh rate, in-display fingerprint sensor. Now, it's not that accurate, but still gets the job done. It's mad quick. I just place my finger and I'm in. I'm right in. Face unlock gets the job done. That motorized camera is really quick. And for its price tag, starting price of $669 for 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, that's a steal. And with a really good camera that this time around competes with Samsung and Apple and Google, I think you're getting a really good deal. Now, if you go for the top end model like I did, you'll get Nebula Blue with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. I've been using this phone for a week, and damn, that speed is just amazing. I am in and out of apps with a blink of an eye. It's just that quick. I think that 12 gigs of RAM also helps a lot, and I'm not normally a heavy user. I don't use heavy-based apps, but since I use a lot of light apps and I leave them in the background, it gets the job done. It's hard to explain, but better to see in person. I would definitely recommend checking out this device. They have it at T-Mobile, and if you're interested in getting a new phone, definitely consider this phone. You are getting an amazing phone for its price. This is the phone to settle for in 2019. And everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video and this little update about the 7 Pro. This is not my full review. This is not like 3-minute, 4-minute review. This was a little update about its camera and everything just in general. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to comment down below, Superman that like button, and best of all, Superman that subscribe button. And my review is still going to come up, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, and until next video, this is MTG.